at Goolwa, and as you can see there's no problem with the water here. It's lovely. There's the barrage at Goolwa, and on the right hand side we got the Goolwa Lagoon. On the left hand side we got the sea. There's plenty of water on each side here, no problem, no problem. As you realise now they've put the weir in at Clayton, and they've pumped the last dregs of the water out the lake, and they've filled up the lagoon in front of Goolwa, and it's all nice and lovely out here. Got Goolwa over there, looking from Hindmarsh Island. Doesn't look bad with a bit of water in there, does it? Little yacht's going good out there. Yes, the marina's got a bit of water now. And the houses are starting to sell. Starting to sell like hotcakes. And we all like them, don't we? You remember once before we was on Hindmarsh Island and I was videoing the low water in here. Well, they got a bit more water now. You remember when I was videoing this before, right? Yes, there's a little island out there. Well, there it is there. So we come round. It doesn't look bad with a bit of water in it, does it? The life of the rich and famous, Jack. The life of the rich and famous, mate. We're at the Murray mouth now, and they're still pumping sand from the Murray mouth. Quite a windy afternoon here. Got a few cars out there on the sand spit. They can get beach access from Goolwa. I drove down to the spot where they drive onto the beach. Wouldn't be good to get stuck out there, would it? There's the waves coming in over there. Quite a windy afternoon here. Chappie's got his kite out, he's trying to surf with it. I think it's just about a permanent setup down here now. It is a nice area all along here. Making our way over the Chapman Bridge, and as you can see the water levels at Goolwa look bloody beautiful. As long as it looks good at Goolwa, there's no problem, is there? No problemo at all. It's where they used to tie up the Oscar W. Hector's on the wharf at Goolwa. Yes, there's plenty of water here. This is where you put the tinny in, Jim. This is the spot here where you put the tinny in, just here. Goolwa's just over there. water level at the barrages at Goolwa look perfectly alright. Look at that. No problem at all. Here a little bit of trickle of water from the fresh water leaking into the sea. The seawater is actually lower than the pool in front of Goolwa. A little bit's actually trickling out. Standing at the end of the Milang jetty, there's a few flies here, and hunters and collectors, Mick, hunters and collectors, you can't get away from them. We've got an old carp down there. If anything, I think the water's a little bit higher than when I was here last. Still got these cockles here in the water. Bird life over there. There he is. Oh, you. You having a giggle, Dave? You got a bit. You got a bit of mud here, mate. Bit of grass. The shacks are still here. It still doesn't look bad, does it? Doesn't look bad. Still got the old boat over there, high and dry, sitting in the reeds. A bit of button grass, and we've got a couple of few dead carp along the edge here. All putting nutrients into the lake bed. It's all good stuff. Good morning. That's not bad, is it? We're just going to have a bit of a walk around and walk out on the sand spit. It's bloody nice, isn't it? The grass is a little bit higher now. I think the lake level's a little bit higher too. It's a little bit mushy to walk around. Fairly dry looking, isn't it? A few of the dead cockles on the bottom. Yeah, it's only near the shoreline that the reeds are all around. Lady at the caravan park said the other day the wind was blowing from the west, and they said they couldn't see any water at all. It was all blown to the other side of the lake. Still quite pretty though, isn't it? There's the end of the Milang jetty there. A few flies out here. Probably all the dead and dying carp and cockles and everything out here. There's the shoreline way back there. Got a few birdie footprints along here near the shoreline. Bit boggy near the edge here, Dave. I don't know about this. She's a little bit boggy. It's still quite nice, isn't it? The early morning light. There's no problem with the lower lakes, is there? No problem at all. There's Point Sturt over there, Kev. We went around that in their little boats, didn't we, mate? Clayton's a very pretty spot. We're looking over to Hindmarsh Island there, across the narrow strip of water, which is the bone of contention around this area. Well, there's a construction site over there where they got the new weir. I see that houseboat is still on the dirt over there. Now we cross the, or we crest the hill here, and that's looking towards Goolwa from Clayton. And that's the that there is the reason why the water in front of Goolwa is looking quite lovely. They've got a dirty great big temporary, it doesn't look temporary, weir here connecting Clayton with Hindmarsh Island. I don't know. They had a lot of arguments over the Chapman Bridge connecting Hindmarsh Island, and they didn't have much argument over the weir, did they? Looks like they're still putting layers of soil on the temporary weir here. You see the water's a little bit higher on the right hand side, which is the Goolwa Basin. The left hand side is the lake. And Goolwa is just up there. Got a few more Tonka toy machines here this morning, beeping away. He left his beeper going. Those beepers are good, aren't they? They're using pumps to actually pump water from that side to that side to top up the channel. But I bet you that the owner of the houseboat's a bit ticked off that he picked the wrong spot to moor his houseboat. He should have actually moored it somewhere down here somewhere, and he would have had water, wouldn't he? It's quite a structure. It's quite a structure. The Clayton Bay Yacht Club is no longer landlocked. There's the Clayton Bay boat ramp there, which has got water in it again. And we've got a reasonable amount of water going on to Goolwa, which is just down through that channel there and just around the corner. So everything looks lovely on this side of the weir, eh? And the yachties around Clayton Bay are ecstatic. Yeah, there's plenty of water for the yachties now, isn't there? Coming back from Clayton Bay on the Point Sturt Road turnoff, doing a bit of construction. I went down the Point Sturt Road down there. They're running a pipeline down there, and they're feeding all the rural properties on Point Sturt with water, trying to wean them off the lake. Looks like they're spending a lot of money getting water to the people on the lake, as if they want to let it go salty. Funny that.